as far as I know, this motor is toast. Hey, get out of here, mouse! Hey, what up YouTube? It's a beautiful morning and I'm here to do another day of work on this EZ30 swap. Got everything disconnected. Get right to it. I'm gonna do a quick test for leaks on the coolant system because I'm a little bit worried that I blew the head gasket or something. I saw a drip coming from the back of the firewall, which I don't know if there's any hoses back there that should be dripping. Gonna check all that out. It's time to pull it. Today's the day, so right into it. I got this cool testing kit. I'm sure you've seen these around. It just comes with a couple of fittings, hose clamps and whatnot. You know, it's not going to work perfect. It doesn't have every fitting. I'm about to pour it all over the place. It doesn't have every fitting, certainly not, but it had this one, which is I think a 1 inch, and it fit perfectly into the hose. This guy. That's cool. Doesn't fit in the bottom hose though. I have nothing for the bottom hose. I believe that it pulls, this is kind of just conjuncture for me, but I believe the coolant system pulls from the bottom and then flows up and then brings, I mean that would only make sense, yeah, they would bring the hot stuff up to the top. The water came out of the correct channels. Nothing seems too bad. The problem is this engine overheated one of the last times I took it out because the coolant, there's a coolant leak. All the coolant drained from the block and the bottom of the radiator. There was still stuff in the overflow, but all the coolant was gone and the car shut off, which is super sketch. Shit happens. Yeah. What I'm thinking for this swap is I'm gonna come out with the rubber hoses and do a Y. I'm gonna make an aluminum Y. It's gonna give me a good opportunity to test my aluminum welding skills, which I have none. I've never done it before. I'm gonna do a Y into the radiator for the 2.5 because I believe the radiator for the 2.5 is in good shape, other than some rust on the fans, which, you know, I'm gonna replace it with the Mishimoto anyway. At some point, I do not care. So, just going to use the 2.5. 2.5 radiator is going to be a lot easier to set up because it fits right in with no customization. It's changing this car, obviously. And, yeah, it's just perfect. I don't know. It fits right in. I don't have to do any work with electrical or anything. So, pretty hyped on that. Making good contact, it should be pushing. Ah, I wanted to fucking climb it. Holy schnitzel. Well, this is not exactly going how I wanted it to go. Damn it. Didn't work. All I did was just scar up the bump.
Watch out, I got it. No, it's okay, I'll get it. No, wait!
1, 2,
We'll
3.
use the power of friendship.
Okay, stop. That's decent. I can work with this. I just opened that. Good idea.
Should be good enough.
Yeah, that'll keep it up. It was right through here. Alright, we cut some dangerous links out of the chain. It was really one dangerous link.
The weak link.
Cut out the weak link. Oh yeah, it's very, very safe.
Yeah, I guess we're good though.
Very safe, very secure.
Bouncy, bouncy, oh, such a good time.
Doesn't look like it moves at all. Going in. Almost off. I got almost all my pegs out.
I don't know what's going on here, but we're having a hell of a time. Finally, we've gotten this free. Now you can probably drop it, right? I think drop it. Yeah. We need to push. Oh, fuck, so what's going on here? We're hitting here.
Yeah,
And the
that's
torque converter's trying to come out with us.
pretty long, huh?
Yeah. Why is the torque converter trying to come out with us? No, I'm pretty cool with that one.
Oh, we could cut it out then. Because that's probably what's going to have to happen. Are you trying to save this at all? Just for the AC.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not trying to save the AC
So
condenser.
get your sawzall and cut right there and right there.
Yep.
Yes, they are. Oh, no. You gotta, yeah, that'll be fine. Oh, we're getting somewhere.
Oh. Alright, stop. You're hooked on it. Yeah. Oh, really. Ugh. Very hard.
That did not sound good. It sounded sad.
You left the throttle cable connected.
Right. This is why you check all the cables, kids. Check it.
So we gotta pop these out. Wait. Push the engine that way, Mike. Or push the car back, yeah. More!
Is it enough?
No. Need more. That.
Hey, he's doing it.
Wrench.
All the wrenches. I bet Michael wants this, maybe. What? Whoa, guy.
I have to go all the way that way with it. Get it out. You can see that small part. I'm not wrenching skills.
Is it enough yet? Jesus
Yeah, it is.
Christ.
It is.
Okay. Alright. Now that's everything.
Drive out of here.
Alright, yeah, police it. Ugh. Oh, we have a major disaster. All the wood shavings in the world. Oh no.
You guys going somewhere?
Alright, I need to clean up my 2 ecological disasters here.
Wow, yeah.
Oh, it's awful.
Yeah, you back in there.
This is the most amount of oil I've ever seen spilled.
It smells better